ሃይ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም የዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ማትማቲክስን ፓርቲኩላርሊ 2016ን ጥያቄዎች ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያውን ጥያቄ ስናይ let identical balls labeled to what 1 to 10 are placed in a box በቦክስ ውስጥ ምን አለ ከ1 እስከ 10 ሌብል የሆኑ ኳሶች አሉ ማለት ነው in the box inside the box. If a ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that the ball is labeled neither odd nor multiple of 3? It says. So we'll try to find what probability of what that is odd and multiple of 3 መፈለግ እንችላለን ማለት neither ስለሆነ that means the complementውን እንወስዳለን ማለት ምን ብለናል that means what is odd probability odd for instance what the number of odd here is 1 3 which is not divisible by 2 that is 5 7 9 1 3 5 7 9 this is odd number. The other is what multiple of 3 which is equal to what that is 3 yes 6 and 9. So we ask it what is the probability of what probability of odd or what we can say that is multiple of 3 for instance let's say like this which is equal to this is probability of what odd plus this is probability of multiple of 3 minus what that is the intersection probability of odd intersection with what multiple of 3 you have to know this one in case of set operation. What's the probability of odd is what you have to take 1 3 5 7 9 the number of this is what that is 5. So what's the number of label that we have sample space number of sample space is equals what 10 since it is labeled what from 1 to 10. ስለዚህ ምን ሆነ probability of odd ማለት number of odd that is 5 over 10 ይሆናል ማለት plus what is probability of multiple of 3 ስንት ነው ያለን እዚህ ጋር 3 ያለን ስለዚህ 3 over 10 ይሆናል ማለት minus what the multiple of what 3 as well as it is odd the intersection of them what is the intersection here we have 3 here is 9 the same here is 3 here is 9 so it becomes what 2 over what 2 over 10 which is equivalent to 8 minus 2 that is 6 over 10 which is equal to what that is 3 over what 5. This is probability of what our labeled that is either odd or what multiple of 3. If that's so the complement of this that means we know that this is probability of what an event plus probability of what its complement is equal to what their sum is equal to 1 we know this one. So neither odd nor multiple of 3 means what that means probability of what neither odd or multiple of 3 that we want የምንፈልገው event ምን ሆናል ማለት this is equals 1 minus what probability of what the event that we obtained there probability of odd or what multiple of what that is 3 from this what this is equal to 1 minus what that is 3 over what 5 what the value this is 5 minus 3 that is 2 over the value for this one is 2 over 5 from the given choice the choice B is the correct answer. ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው odd እና multiple of 3 probability እናገኛለን ያንን probability ካገኘን በኋላ neither odd nor multiple of 3 ማለት የዚህ complement ማለት ነው የዚህ complement ማለት ደግሞ የዚህ probability እና its complement probability sum ምን መሆን አለበት ብለናል 1 መሆን አለበት because of that the probability of that the event that we want to find የምንፈልገው event probability ምን ይሆናል 2 over 5 ይሆናል ማለት ነው በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት እንችላለን. The other one given the set A is equals what x element of real number x not element of what pi to positive infinity which of the following is the set equivalent to what A ምን ይላል x not element of what ከፓይ እስከ positive infinity ያሉትን አያካትትም ማለት the opposite is true that means opposite ምን ሆነ እዚህ ጋር 1 pi include አያደርግም ግን up to positive infinity ነው ስለዚህ ምን ሆነ at the left of that ይሆናል ማለት this is pi to not 0 means what this is pi to negative infinity ይሆናል ማለት which one the correct answer the correct answer for this that is C is the correct answer. የx value ምን አይሆንም ተብለናል ከፓይ እስከ 180 ያሉትን ማን ነው ከፓይ እስከ ኢንፊኒቲ ያለውን አያካትትም ማለት ምን ማለት ነው in the other way round it includes what negative infinity to pi ማለት ነው that is the choice C is the correct answer. It says that given a circle of diameter 60 cm የሆነ ሰርክል አለን ማለት ነው a chord here how እዛ አካባቢ ኮርድ ይኖርናል ማለት ነው let us assume this is a chord ይሄ ኮርድ ነው ማለት ይሄ ኮርዱ ደግሞ ምን ይላል 6 cm far from what the center ነው ተብሏል ስለዚህ let's say this is the center of what our circle ስለዚህ ከዚህ ያለው ዲስታንስ እንት ይሆናል 6 cm ነው ማለት which one of the following is the length of the chord የተጠየቀው ምንድነው የኮርዱን ሌንግዝ ነው ያ ማለትም ማለት ነው ከዚህ ከሴንተር ተነስተን ወደ boundary of our circle ስንመጣ this becomes what this is the radius ስለዚህ ዲያሜትሩ 16 ከሆነ ራዲየሱ ስንት ይሆናል ማለት that is 8 cm ነው ማለት it makes what line which passes through the center of the circle bisects the chord ብለናል። ኮርዱን ምን ያደርገዋል? ባይሴክት ያደርገዋል። ሁለት ቦታ ይከፍለዋል። ያ ማለት ማነው? it makes what 90 degrees ጋር ፎርም ያደርጋል ማለት። ስለዚህ ከዚህ O ብንለው ይሄኛው this is what the middle of what our chord C ብንለው ከዚህ ያለው ዲስታንስ ተሰጥቶናል። ኮርዱ ስንት ነው የሚርቀው ተብሏል? ከሴንተሩ 6 ሴንቲሜትር ስለተባለ this is 6 ነው። this is the radius of this circle is what? The radius of the circle 8 centimeter. So you have to apply what? Pythagoras theorem. Let's say this one is what? C1. This is C1 ንበለው። This one C2 ማለት equal ስለሆነ twice of C1 ይሆናል ማለት the length of C, which implies what? C1 square plus what? That is 6 square is equals what? 8 square ይሆናል። ለምን? Pythagoras theorem apply እናደርጋለን ማለት 90 degree measure አድርጓል። hypotenuse አለው። hypotenuse is the radius of our circle. Distance from the center to the chord ደግሞ 6 cm ስለሆነ you have to apply this one. ይሄ ምን ሆናል? C1 square is equals what? 8 square is what? That is 64 minus what? 6 square is what? That is 36, which is equal to 4 minus 6 that is 8, 5 minus 3 that is what? 28 ይሆናል ማለት 28 means what? What is C1? C1 is equal to the square root of 28. 28 ማለት ደግሞ 4 times 7 ስለሆነ this is 4 times 7. 4 perfect ስለሆነ take out from the square root that is 2 times what? 7 the square root of 7 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So length of the chord C, this is length of chord of the chord that you want to find. So length of the chord becomes what? Twice of what? C1. Twice of C1 which is equal to 4 times what? The square root of that is 7 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የተሰጠን ኢንፎርሜሽን መሰረት ተንተርሰን length of the chord በዚህ አይነት መንገድ እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። we apply what? Pythagoras theorem. The next one, which one of the following is true about rationalizing the denominator? Rationalizing the denominator የምናደርገው መቼ ነው? Rationalize the denominator as a name indicate you have to make what? The denominator rational number ማድረግ ነው። ስለዚህ only numerators can be rationalized when there is radical ይላል። ራዲካል ስላለ ኑሜሬተሩን ምን እናደርጋለን የሚለው rationalize እናደርጋለን። we don't bother about the numerator. Instead denominator means what? It is expressed at the form what? A over B. Rationalizing the denominator means what? The denominator is not rational number. That implies. If that's so, you will try to make that denominator rational number. That is our aim here. For instance, here is 3 over what? 1 minus root 3 for instance. You have to rationalize the denominator means what? Making this denominator rational number. That means multiply both by what? 1 plus root 3 divide by what? This is 1 minus root 3 times what? This is 1 plus root 3. So the value becomes what? This is 3 into 1 plus root 3. This is 1 plus root 3 divide by what? This is 1 square minus the square root of root 3 square. That means what? ምን ይሆናል? 1 minus 3 ይሆናል። 1 minus 3 ደግሞ minus 2. The denominator becomes what? Rational. This is our aim. Rationalize the denominator means what? This is as a sample. Take this as a sample. It is a technique multiplying a given number by irrational number, rational expression. It is impossible. በኢራሽናል ኤክስፕሬሽን ማባዛት ማለት ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? ኦልዌይስ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? ዲኖሚኔተሩን ራሽናላይዝ አረግ ነው ማለት አይደለም። when denominators can be multiplied by an irrational number it is impossible. በማንኛውም ኢራሽናል ነምበር ስላባዛ ነው ራሽናል አደረግ ነው ማለት ነው። it is impossible. ለምሳሌ 1 minus root 3 የሚለውን ይሄንን በሩት 3 ብናባዛው again root 3 minus 3 ይሆናል እንጂ ኢራሽናል ይሆናል እንጂ ራሽናል መሆን አይችልም። it is a method of what? Changing the denominator into rational number. Yes, this is our aim. The main objective of rationalizing the denominator means what? Changing the denominator into what? Rational number. So the choice D is what? The correct answer. This is the correct answer we have. One now aim ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Let's come to the next one. When f of x is given as such forms is divided by x minus 1 over 2, the remainder is 3. Then what is the value of what? K. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ዲቫይድ የምናደርግበት ፋክተሩ ስለተሰጠን you will try to find what the factor of this, the zeros of this one over 2 እንወስዳለን which is equal 0. What values? x is equal to what? This implies x is 1 over 2. ስለዚህ 1 over 2 ስንተካ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? ይሄንን ሪሜንደሩ 3 የሚሆንበትን ኬዝ መፈለግ ማለት ነው። What is the value of k here? What? This implies f of 1 over 2 this is equal to what? This must be what? That is 3. What does imply? This implies 4 into 1 over 2 the whole that is q plus what? K times 1 over 2 minus what? This is 1 is equal to what? That is 3. Since we have to substitute the zeros of your factor, this is the divider, into what? Your function to find the remainder. That means the zeros of x minus 1 over 2, that is what? 1 over 2 as we solved here. What the value of this one? This is equal to 4 times 1 over 2. Cube means what? That is 1 over 8. This is 4 over 8. Plus, this is 1 over 2k. Minus what? This is 1 is equal to, this is 3. 4 over 8 means what? That is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2k is equal to what? Take 1 to the right side. It becomes what? 4. 4 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ 1 over 2 to the right side again ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? This is 1 over 2k is equal to 4 minus what? 1 over 2. But the value? This is 8 minus 1, that is 7 over 2. So to find the value of k, multiply both sides by 2, which implies k is equal to 7. ስለዚህ የk value ስንት ይሆናል? 7 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። From the given alternative, what was the choice? A is the correct answer. ስለዚህ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ እናገኛለን ማለት ወይም ደግሞ if you want to have to use what long division method መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ግን for simplicity ወይም ደግሞ ቀላሉና ጊዜያችሁን ኮንሱም የማያደርገው ምንድነው you will try to find what the zeros of what divide የምታደርጉበት ወይም ዲቫይዘሩን ዜሮ ትፈልጋላችሁ ዜሮን ስትፈልጉ x - 1 over 2 ዜሮ የሚያደርገው 1 over 2 ስለሆነ you have to obtain ይሄን ካገኛችሁ በኋላ የዚህን ዜሮስ ይሄን value directly insert in the value f at x ቦታ ላይ 1 over 2 ተክታችሁ በኋላ የምታገኙት value remainder ስንት ነው ተብሏል 3 ስለተባለ equate with 3 ጋር ኢኳል ማድረግ ነው after that solve the value of k ደግሞ 7 ይሆናል so the choice is A ለዛሬ እዚህ ላይ ይበቃናል ለሚቀጥለው ሌላ ይዤላችሁ መጣለሁ አመሰግናለሁ
And please don't miss subscribe like and share for your friends